This video documents line stripe installation in an occupied factory setting. Surface preparation precedes the line stripe application. Here it's achieved by using professional equipment made for the task. Because it's an occupied factory, care is given to ensure that work doesn't contaminate nearby inventory or equipment. Controlled is the dust being made during the concrete preparation work. Maintaining a clean work environment to protect workers and property from injury and damage is a priority. This preparation work must be done for the new coating, but not at the cost of lessened worker safety or facility efficiency. The preparation work itself is done to adequately clean the concrete and make it ready for the new coating. It's a clean and effective process. Once ready, the prepared areas are primed by water-based epoxy. This step ensures the stripes will attain maximum adhesion. Following the necessary dry time, the epoxy-based stripes are installed. The work is done carefully to prevent drips and splatter. A methodical process here yields a uniform result. Whatever the color, the same careful approach yields the same professional final product. And that's about it. Line stripe installation in an occupied factory setting.